Oh.
Alright, I'm Luke Winterskill. Cameron is filming, and Abby's gonna come in later, and today we're gonna be factoring by using a GCF. Alright, for problem 1, it'll be 2x squared plus 14x cubed. So first we're going to want to find the factors of 2 and 14.
Sorry.
The factors of 2 is 1 and 2. The factors of 14 is 1, 2,
7.
and 7. The first thing that we notice is the two 2's are the greatest common factors. Now we're going to look at the x's. So x squared is the lowest common factor to x3. So our GCF would be 2x squared. And from there, you just plug in 1 plus 7x. And that would be your answer. For problem 2, it would be, well, we're going to do 12x to the power 4 plus 18x to the 5th. Now we're going to find the greatest common factors of 12 and 18. For 12, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6.
You forgot a factor of 14. It's 14, but that doesn't matter anymore.
Who cares? And of course 12. And then the factors for 18 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 16. We see that 6 is the GCF in both of these. So we're going to plug that in right here. So 6, and for exponents, it'll be 4x4. And we're going to plug in 2 plus 3x. That'll be your answer.
Transition. Okay. Okay, so it's Abby now. I don't know why, but yeah, okay. So, problem number 3 is 16x cubed plus 24x to the 4th. Now, I do it a little differently because there's a lot of different ways to do this. So, I take them out and I see that our greatest common factor is 8. So it's, so it's 8 times 2 times x times x times x plus 8 times 3 times x times x times x times x. My option gives you more visual. So I see that they both have an 8 in common, so that goes on the outside. And then I see they all have at least 3 x's, so it's x cubed. And then I just plug in what's left. So it's 2 plus 3x. And that's your answer for number 3. Now, our 4th problem is 3x cubed plus 7b. Now, again, I'll go 3 times 1 times x times x times x plus 7 times 1 times b. Now, I see that they both have a 1 in common, but that doesn't really change it. So that doesn't really matter. But then I see that they don't have the same number out front, and also their variables don't match up. So the GCF won't work. So I would have to find another reason, another way to solve this problem. But we don't have to do that in this video because we're not teaching you that. Oh, that's helpful. Okay, so, okay, our last problem is number 5. And it's 14x cubed y to the second plus 28x cubed y to the first, but we don't have to really write that. So I'm going to write this out, and it's 14 times 1 times x times x times x times y plus 2 times 14 times x times x times x times y. So I see that they both have a 14 in common, so that's our greatest common factor, so that can go on the outside. And then they all have at least 3 x's, so that works, so it's x cubed. And they have at least 1 y, so it's y. Now, then I just plug in what's left, so it's 1y, so I can just put y, plus 2. And that would be our answer to number 5. Now we have classwork. Yes. And this is our classwork. It's your textbook, so page 578, number 17, 21, 22, 41, 42, and 45. We'll go over the answers after this video. Thanks.